this question number 7, the altitudes AD and C. They are given the altitudes AD and C of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that, see, altitudes. This is a triangle ABC, these two are altitudes. Altitudes means the lines drawn perpendicular to the opposite sides from your vertex. C is the vertex, a perpendicular drawn to the opposite side AB. This is one altitude and AD is another altitude making 90 degree with this side. Okay, now you have to show that first one, AEP similar to CDP. AEP, let us select the triangle. So look at this triangle, AEP. This triangle, AEP similar to CDP. You have to show these two triangles are similar. AEP similar to CDP. So these two triangles I have to show that similar. So let us take in triangle AEP and in triangle CDP. In these two triangles, so let us show that. So in triangle AEP this is 90 degree. So angle AEP is equal to, in triangle CDP, CDP is equal to 90 degree. CDP is equal to 90 degree. See, one angle which is perpendicular, because it's an altitude makes 90 degree. So this angle will be equal to this angle. AEP, this angle, CDP, this angle. Then come to this. These two are vertically opposite angles. Second pair, so I can write APE. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. CPD. So the reason is vertically opposite angles. So you can write vertically opposite angles. So by AA similarity, I can write triangle AEP similar to triangle for A. For angle A, what is the angle? It must be C. C. For E, it is D. 90 degree, 90 degree. P and P are vertically opposite angles, therefore P. So this is the proof of the first one. So now same way, let's go to another triangle ABD and CBE. ABD, look at the diagram. What is the triangle ABD? So I will change the color. ABD, this triangle. Okay. ABD, this triangle. ABD and CBE. CBE. This triangle. Okay. Is it visible now? ABD and CBE. So you have to consider the triangles ABD and CBE. Second pair in triangle ABD and in triangle CBE. So you have to identify the angles which are equal. Two pair of angles you have to show that. In triangle ABD, so this D angle is 90 degree. I can write angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So we can write angle ADB which is equal to 90 degree. Then CBE, angle E is 90 degree. It is equal to CEB. CEB, both are equal to 90 degree. So because altitudes are perpendicular on them. So in ABD we have this angle B and CEB also we have B common. So you can write angle ABD is equal to, so here angle ABD is equal to, in other triangle CBE. So you can write here CBE. So you can write CBE. So the reason is common angle. Common angle in both the triangles. So therefore again by AA similarity, triangle ABD must be similar to triangle CBE. ABD. See, for ABD, so for A it must be C. For A it must be C. B and B common angles. For D it is E, CBE. So hence we proved the second one. So now let us go to the third diagram. What is that? Look at this. AEP and ADB. AEP, this triangle, and ADB and the bigger triangle. This one and this one. Okay, this small triangle and then big triangle. AEP and ADB. So let us write here in triangle AEP and ADB. in triangle AEP and in triangle ADB. Okay, so we'll identify two pairs of angles which are equal in both the triangles now. So AEP and ADB, in these two triangles, look at the diagram. AEP is 90 degree. Here ADB is 90 degree. AEP 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, AEP is 90 degree. In the bigger triangle, ADB is 90 degree. Therefore, AEP is equal to ADB. We can write. So here, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. So both are equal to 90 degree. It is given. So then come to this triangles. In both the triangles, look at this angle. AEP also angle A common. In ADB also angle A common. So therefore here I can write PAE is equal to DAB. PAE same as DAB. So we'll write PAE same as DAB. So angle PAE is same as angle DAB. So we can write common angle. It's a common angle in both the triangles. So therefore we can write triangle AEP is similar to triangle. See, for A itself is a common angle, and AD. For E it is B. And what is left out? B only left out. So AEP is similar to ADB. So this is the proof of the third one. Then the last one, you will come to this last triangles. So look at this triangles. Question, what you have to show that PDC and BEC. PDC and BEC. PDC and BEC. So same way, so this is a smaller triangle. PDC, this triangle, and PDC, and next triangle is, what is that next triangle? BEC. PDC and BEC. This triangle. This small triangle and this big triangle. In triangle PDC and BAC, let us write. In triangle PDC and in triangle BEC. So let us show the two pairs of angles which are equal. So we'll go back to the diagram once again. In triangle PDC, D is 90 degree. Okay. In triangle BEC, E is 90 degree. So PDC is same as BEC. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. In triangle, small triangle, D is 90 degree. In this big triangle, E is 90 degree. So therefore PDC same as BEC. So we can write PDC, angle PDC is same as angle BEC. Which is both are equal to 90 degree. This diagram once again. So let us go to PDC and BEC. So look at this diagram. PDC and BEC, angle C is common. So here both the angles. So here PCD and BCE. PCD and BCE both are same. PCD and BCE. So we can write. So PCD is equal to BCE. Both are same because common angles. Both are common angles. So again, by AS similarity, we can write triangle PDC is same as, say for P, it must be B only. Okay, for D it is E. For D it is E. Perpendiculars. Common angles C and C are common angles. So therefore PDC is similar to BC. We proved all the triangles for similar. To understand this question number 8. E is a point on the side AD, producer of triangle ABCD. So let us parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD at F. Show that AB is similar to CFD. So let us draw the diagram, a parallelogram. So let us draw a parallelogram here. Let us take this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So opposite sets are parallel. This is parallel to this one. ABCD is a parallelogram, and look at E is a point on side AD producer of the parallelogram. AD producer. AD, let us produce this side AD. Somewhere you will find E. Let us take this is E. E is a point on the AD producer. We have producer the side AD, and let us take that point E. Now E is a point on the side AD producer. It is over. Our parallelogram is in. Then BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects. BE means from B to E. Join the line like this. BE intersects CD at F. So this point is F. This line BE intersecting the CD at the point F. Now show that ABE is similar to CFB. ABE is similar to CFB. What is the triangle? ABE. ABE, this bigger triangle, ABE. So this triangle, ABE, similar to CFB. So this another triangle, look at this one, CFB. So I have to show that ABE, this big triangle, similar to CFB. So now let us consider these two triangles. In triangle ABE and in triangle CFB. So identify two pairs of angles which are equal now. You have to find out here. So now in these two triangles ABE and CFB, since these two lines are parallel, AD is parallel to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. Since AE is the side produced, AD produced now, that AE is same as AD, so therefore AE must be parallel to BC. Therefore I can write this angle will be equal to alternate angle. Which is alternate angle for this one? This one. This will be transversal. These two are parallel lines. This will be alternate angle. So I can write AEB same as CPF. AEB same as angle AEB same as CBF. So I will write, because AE parallel to BC, the reason is AE parallel to BC, and then alternate angles. So you can write alternate angles. Okay. Then next one more pair of angles you have to show me in these two triangles. I can write C and A are equal. They are the opposite angles of the parallelogram. And also this is an angle, A is an angle of triangle AEB also, and C is an angle of a triangle CFD also. So therefore I can write EAB, angle EAB. So I will write angle EAB is same as angle BCF. Angle BCF. So they are opposite angles. Opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD. So you can write that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So therefore I can write by AA similarity. Already we have two angles, we have told that by AA similarity triangle ABE is similar to triangle ABE. In triangle ABE means in place of A I have to write C. In place of A let us write C. In place of B it is E. ABE, sorry, ABE. So here ABE means in place of E have to write B. In place of AB, last one, here B. What is left out here? F, CFB. ABE similar to CFB. Is it clear? Question number 9. In this figure, ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. ABC, this triangle. So I can show you like this, ABC. This is a triangle ABC. And AMP is this one. So AMP. So this ABC and this AMP, okay, are two right triangles. Because right angle at B, this is a right angle and this is also a right angle. Right angle at B and M respectively. B is a right angle, M is a right angle. Prove that ABC is similar to AMP. So I have to show that ABC triangle similar to AMP, then we will come to the second one. So for that, let us consider these two triangles. In triangle ABC, and in triangle AMP. So let us show at least two pairs of angles are equal. So ABC, in ABC and AMP, very simple. Angle P is 90 degree. ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. So both are equal to 90 degree. It is given because both are right angle triangles. Again, look at this one more angle you have to find out. Can you identify which is that angle in both the triangles? Equal. Angle A is common. Look at this in triangle ABC, A is there. In triangle AMP also we have A common. So therefore let us write ABC. In triangle ABC this A can be written as CAB. CAB is equal to, in triangle ABC this CAB is equal to, in triangle AMP we can write MAP. I will write it as MAP. So both are common angles. Common angles. So by area similarity, so we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle. See, for A it is a common angle, we can write same. A and A are same. For B it is a 90 degree, here it is M is 90 degree. AM. What is left out here? Only P. So ABC is similar to AMP. We proved this one also. For the second question, we have to prove that CA by PA. This one we have to prove. CA by PA. So since the triangles are similar, I can write the sides are proportional. All the three sides, let us write AB, corresponding side AM is equal to BC, corresponding side is MP. Then for AC, corresponding side is AP. So three sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. So because triangles are similar, therefore sides must be proportional. Now which one we want? CA by PA. CA by PA. This is AB. CA by PA means both are this one. Last one. CA by PA. AB are both are same. Then this is equal to, you want BC by MP. BC by MP, this one. BC by MP. So last two you can take. So that's the proof what we wanted here. So look at this. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. You take only the last two ratio. This is CA only. AC and CA both are same. PA and AP both are same. That I have written CA by PA, BC by MP. This is what we wanted to prove here in the second case. After proving the triangles are similar, just you write the sides are proportional and which sides you want, that you write according to the question.